Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add or update a tag for a particular person in your Encharge account whenever a payment has been failed in a Razorpay account or in your Razorpay account through them. Now what will happen whenever the person will pay to your account through Razorpay payment gateway, and if the payment gets failed, his name in your Encharge account, if it is available, an automatic tag will be added that the payment has been failed by this person. And if you do not have the name of that person in your Encharge account, we are going to add a client, and simultaneously we are also going to add a tag that the payment from the Razorpay has been failed of that person. Okay, now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay and Encharge together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now on our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will do that, you will see that you have been redirected to this page. Now here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. And if you want to sign up, you have to go to the option for sign up free. Signing up is very easy. It will only take 2 minutes, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in. And here, this is my account. I will just go for login. Now here, what we have to do, we have to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now you can see this is my dashboard, and here I have a lot of workflows. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a new workflow to create a new automation. Now what we are doing, we are going to name it Razorpay 2, and now we are connecting it with Encharge. So we will just go for Encharge, and now I will click on create. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a new workflow has been created here, Razorpay 2 Encharge. And now here you can see we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Okay. Now what will happen here, our trigger will be Razorpay and our trigger event will be payment failed. Because whenever the payment will fail, the response will be captured to our Pabbly Connect account from our Razorpay account. Okay. Now here, what you are going to do, you are going to connect your Razorpay account with your Pabbly Connect account. Now how are you going to do that? So to do that, we are going to use this webhook URL. We will just copy this webhook URL and we will use the steps below to connect our Pabbly Connect account with our Razorpay account. So you can see it is written, log into the Razorpay account and navigate to the webhook section. Then you have to go to add new webhook, then copy the webhook URL, then paste the webhook URL and select the payment field from the active events. Okay. Now I am not reading it all. You can read it and follow it. I am just going to show you how it's done. So we will go here. Let me just log in. This is my account. So just log in straight to the Razorpay account, and we are here in our account. Now, as it was written, how you are going to connect, we are going to follow. First, you are going to go to settings. Then we will go to webhooks. After going to webhooks, you can see here is an option of add new webhook. So we will click on add new webhook, and here we will paste the webhook URL that we copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay. You do not have to write anything in secret. You do not have to write anything in alert email. You just have to select one event here, which is payment failed. So what you are going to do, you are going to find payment failed. This is payment failed. Select it and just go down and click on create webhook. So you can see a new webhook has been created. Let me open this and I can show you. This is the webhook. and one active events, payment failed. So whenever the payment will be failed, an automatic response will be sent here where it is written waiting for webhook response. Okay. So we have successfully connected our Razorpay to our Pabbly Connect. Now we will take the response. Now suppose I have so many payment pages here. What I am going to do, I am going to take a payment page. This is my favorite one, social media marketing tutorial. I'll just copy this and I will paste it here. Now you can see I have these fields here: first name, last name, email and phone number. Okay. So I'm just going to fill this quickly. My first name is Arpit. My last name is Sharma. My email address is arpitsharma@gmail.com and phone number is a dummy number 9876453676. Now I will click on pay, and as you can see, these are some payment methods and I am going to use a dummy number here. So let's just put a dummy number. CVV is this, pay. Okay. Now the title is whenever a person will cancel the payment or whenever the person will cancel the payment through our Razorpay payment gateway. So the cancelled payment is equal to the payment failed. So whenever the person will cancel the payment, it will be equal to the failure, and that is why I am just selecting failure here. And as soon as I will click on failure, you can see it has been written here, payment failed. And when I will go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see I have received a webhook response here, and this is the response. Payment failed. Arpit Kumar Sharma is the name of the person whose payment is failed. Arpit first name, Sharma last name. This is the number. This is the email. Okay. Now what we are going to do, as you can see, I have another window here, action window. So what I am going to do first, I am going to choose Encharge here, and then I will go and select for search person by email. Now, why am I doing this? Let me tell you. First, let me connect it and then I will tell you. I will go for add new connection. Connect with. Now here what you have to do, you have to click on allow and you have to give permission to Pabbly to, authorize it. And don't worry, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. Now here, I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, which will let me take the data from this window here, this data, and it will let me put the data in this window here. So I'm just going to map it. Now mapping is like this, arpitsharma@gmail.com. Now, if arpitsharma@gmail.com is present in our Encharge account, who is here, then what will happen? An automatic tag will be added, and for adding a tag, I am going to use another window. If arpitsharma@gmail.com is not present, or the email of the person is not present who is paying us at Razorpay, there an automatic contact, or I should say an automatic detail will be added of that person in the Encharge account, and then an automatic tag will be added. Now let me show you how it's done. Now I have this arpitsharma@gmail.com in my list. So it is showing me this is the email, this is the information of the person. Now I am again going to add a new window, and here I am going to use a feature by Pabbly, router, which will help me setting up two types of conditions. So first condition is when the user already exists, and when the user does not exist. So what should I write? User does not exist. User exists. User does not exist. Now, I'm really sorry for that. Now, what you have to do first, we are going to set up our first router. So here in event entity, you have to select the Gmail of the person, arpitsharma@gmail.com, which exists. So you have to select here exist, And now you do not have to give any value for that. And you will click on save and send test request, which will obviously be true because we have this person here in our list. So what we will do, we are directly going to add a tag here, Encharge. And now we will click on the action event, and here action event will be add tag. Now connect. And I already connected my Encharge account, so I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to click on save. And now here, again, I am going to use the technique mapping. But first, let me show you. This is my email, arpitsharma@gmail.com. And here, I am going to add a tag, add a new tag again at this point. And here you can see that there is no tag right now. So what I am going to do is, I am going to go here. First, I will map in the email arpitsharma@gmail.com. Now tag. The payment done by the user. And now again, I'll use the technique mapping. Arpit Kumar Sharma. Okay. If you do not have this Arpit Kumar Sharma here, it means that the person must have not used his name on card, or he must have used something else. So what you can do, let me delete this. You can just take the first name and last name. So we will go for first name, enter, last name. Okay. So the payment done by the user Arpit Sharma for digital marketing course tutorial, has been failed, or I should write failed. Tutorial failed. Please look after this. Okay. So the payment done by the user Arpit Sharma for digital marketing course tutorial failed, and please look after this. This is my tag, and I'm just gonna click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a response has been created, which means a tag has been created here. Now it is not showing because I did not refresh it. Sorry, I did not refresh it. And now you can see Arpit Kumar Sharma, the payment done by the user Arpit Sharma for digital marketing course tutorial failed. Please look after this. So this is the tag. I added it, and now let me go back. Now I am again going to make another payment by another name, and this time the user will not be present in our list. So you can see here the user. I am going to make a payment with the name Swati Sharma. Okay. So you can see Swati Sharma is not present here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make a new payment. But before that, let me tell you something. First save this, then done. And now if it says user does not exist, so first we have to set a filter for this, where the email is arpitsharma@gmail.com, and here you have to write does not exist, which means the label email does not exist. Okay. Now when I will click on save and send test request, it is going to give me an error because obviously the user will not exist here, and we are going to create a new user. So how we will do that? We will just click on this plus sign. Here I am again going to select Encharge. And now in the action event, I am going to add or update a person. Connect. And I'm not going to connect it again because I have already connected it a few moments ago. So you can see it's done. And now here I am going to again use the same technique mapping. So here the email is arpitsharma@gmail.com. First name is Arpit. Last name is Sharma. And name is the name on the card. So Arpit Kumar Sharma. Okay. Now I did not have these fields in my payment page, Razorpay payment page. So I'm not gonna fill these fields here. I'm just gonna go down and I will click on save and send test request. So you will see a new user will be created. Here, when we will go for the new payment with a user who is not already in this list. Now, we are going to click on this. Here, we are going to make a payment, or I should say a cancelled payment, and then a tag will automatically be added to this new user tag. Okay. So select existing connection again, save email. Again, I'm gonna use the mapping technique. arpitsharma@gmail.com. Where is it? Okay, here it is. And tag. So again, the same tag which was there. The payment done by Arpit Sharma for digital marketing course tutorial failed. Please have a look. Okay. So this is gonna be my tag and save and send test request. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save it. Okay, done. And here you can see I do not have any new email or a new user. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to make a new user here. So we will just refresh it. First name is Swati. Last name is Sharma. Swati Sharma @gmail.com. Another dummy number here. 8765421232. So that would be a 10-digit number in India. So pay rupees 400 and okay, I'm really sorry. It must have been a real number. Let me just put in another number, 98765 Now pay rupees 100. Here card 4111111111111. Expiry is, card holder's name is Swati Sharma. CVV is 456. Pay, skip saving card, and here as soon as I will click on failure, you can see a payment has been failed by Swati Sharma. And now here you can see there is no Swati Sharma, and as soon as I will refresh it, you can see a new contact has been made automatically, Swati Sharma @gmail.com. And when I will open it, you can see when I will refresh it, as soon as I will refresh it, a new tag will be added to Swati Sharma @gmail.com. And as you can see, here is our tag. The payment done by Swati Sharma for digital marketing course tutorial failed. Please have a look. So friends, this is how you can, let me save it first and then I'll tell you. Okay, so this is how you can make this automation where a Razorpay payment has been failed. Then a user will automatically be added to your Encharge account if he is not there, and an automatic tag will be added. And if he is already there, then only the tag will be added automatically to his name or to his account in Encharge. And this is how you can use this automation. This is very useful for your business and can be used in your business as well. Also, if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go to my description box, and there you can find the link of this workflow and clone it into your account, but for that you need an account, and to do that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.